Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new, subscribe and hit the like button. It's 2020 and I'll be teaching you guys how to get 360 waves like 360 GZ. So exactly just like 360 GZ. So yeah, I'll be teaching you guys how to get the type of wave he has. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, you need to cut your hair. You need a wave. You need to go to the barber and tell the barber to give you a wave length cut. A wave length cut. So I went to the barber on this day and I told the barber to give me a wavelength cut, and he gave me this cut. But I think the cut was too low to get waves. But yeah, so I'm just gonna try and get waves with this cut. Also, by now you guys should know that when you're trying to get waves, you need a 360 wave brush, a durag, a silky durag, and a 360 wave cream. Yeah, it's 360 wave brush, durag, and a wave cream. So what you need to know about waves is basically curls laid down. Yeah, so waves is basically curls laid down. And also, this is my second week of trying to get waves. Yeah, my second week after getting my haircut. So now, how to get waves? So basically, you just have to keep on brushing your hair every time. Yeah, just keep on brushing your hair until the point where you can see that your hair start to curl. Yeah, just as you can see in the video, I kept on brushing, just keep on brushing and to the point where you see your hair start to curl. So yeah guys, you need a hard brush, a soft brush, or a medium brush depending on how high your hair is. So like if your hair is really high, you need a hard brush, and if your hair is low, you need a soft brush. And yeah guys, this is my third week of me trying to get waves. As you can see, the waves are forming on both sides and on the at the front also. To get waves guys, you need consistency, motivation, determination, and drive. Like you have to be consistent, you have to keep on brushing every day, you have to just keep on brushing non-stop. Like make it like your life goal. Do not stop brushing, keep on brushing. So guys, remember, brushing is the key to getting waves. If you're not spending time brushing your waves, definitely your waves will never ever come out the way you want it to be. So definitely it is better for you to put in the time and the effort, the consistency, motivation, everything in order to get the waves you want. When it comes to time, you should be spending at least open your ear and listen. I said at least 1 hour a day. At least 1 hour a day, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the afternoon, and 20 minutes in the night before you go to bed. But if you want to get your wave just exactly like 360 GZs, you have to keep on brushing. You have to put in more effort and more time. You have to brush for at least like 3 hours in a day. 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, 1 hour in the night before you go to bed. And you can add in maybe extra 30 minutes also. So guys, do not forget, when you're going to cut your hair, tell the barber to give you a wave length cut. A wave length cut. Do not forget. So yeah, this is how to get waves, your waves just exactly like 360 GZs. Do not forget, you need a wave brush. It's a 360 wave brush, a do-rag, and a wave cream. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, share, And also, guys, I'm going to tell you the reason why I stopped getting waves. The reason is because of people. Like, people were just calling me different names and stuff. So I lost my motivation and I couldn't get waves. And also, my hair was, I didn't even like my hair. I mean, the waves kind of messed up my hairline and stuff. Yeah, so I couldn't get waves. I lost my motivation, and yeah,